And welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the mileage tracker app by Everleance. So let's get started. So if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. So here you have to go to the Google here search and search for here, okay, as your mileage tracker app by, so as you can see, so here you can see, so just click on here and you can click on the install here, and it will automatically download and install the app and you can use it. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.